the biggest content creator, the biggest black content creator.
Damn, that's a good title. I like that title.
That's the truth.
Damn.
The biggest.
Yeah, I agree.
The biggest black content creator in the world right now was Cenat.
I was doing skits in high school, and it was pretty cool. My principal called my videos garbage though, because she found out I was doing it in school, and then she looked at my videos and called them trash. Like, I would never forget that. Turns around.
What do you think she thinks now when she sees you as, you know, in the that you are?
I mean, I don't know. I don't know what she think, but I hope she still has the same opinion. You feel what I'm saying? That's about it.
You hope she has the same. You hope she still thinks you're.
Yeah. I feel like once you say something like I feel like it's just a lesson. Like, you have to like be careful what you say. For me, it's very powerful. So you have to be careful what you say. You never know who you're talking to or like who this person is gonna end up being. My first YouTube video popped up on my recommendation. I said, let me just watch it real quick. And I watched it and I was like, damn, like, what you're doing? This is my first YouTube video, like looking at the thumbnail and everything. And I was looking at the comments. I love seeing like people come back to my first YouTube video and comment like, yo, this is where he started, look where he is now, stuff like that. Like, I love comments. Like, anybody who like has blown up, they can relate to when you in your grinding stage, like that hunger is different. It's about if you can maintain it or not. Like, that hunger that you get is like a different type of, like, I don't know what it is. Like, all I wanted to do was just work. So once you get that in you, like, it's just like you can't stop.
Do you still have that same hunger, you think?
100%. Yes, I don't play when it comes to like my content because people will get comfortable and things can slow down. Like, I know that all this can go away like this. So I gotta keep my head focused, stay on the right path, and just execute every time. Of course, there's like times where like I literally like stare at my screen and like, well, I really want to click start streaming, and it's up to you. Like, mentally, you got to be able to say, okay, no, take a break. You feel what I'm saying? Go relax. Or like, no, you're just being lazy. Like, come on, bro, you're just being lazy. I've had times where I've been lazy and been like, nah, but then when I do spark it, it ends up being like the craziest stream ever. Like, that's the thing about streaming is like, it could be that day and you would never know like where some crazy shit would happen. Like, there's always some crazy shit happening while I'm streaming.
Right, but you never know if the day that you decide, you know what, fuck it, let me not do it. Yeah. You might have just lost out on one of the greatest moments. Greatest moments
ever, yeah. Oh, I used to save up like $5 from school every single day just to get like an Uber ride. So like I could be able to go home on Fridays and stuff like that. I used to save up every minute. And I look at it to it now, it's like I'm truly blessed, like on like so many levels, like blessed. You feel what I'm saying? So it's a great feeling.
What was the most fire thing for you being able to get? Was it maybe something for your mom, maybe something for your sister? Or?
My mom, I would say. My mom, like, her house. She has to say that she has a house to herself is, like, crazy. Like, a nice backyard that she can just chill on, privacy, like, that's the craziest thing ever. Yeah.
Luck to it. Is there some element of skill that you have to have?
So most people think streaming is easy. You just spark it up. You know, anybody can do it. I think first anybody could give it a try, for sure. I think people that want to give it a try 100% should give it a try. One, I wouldn't recommend streaming for anybody who just generally doesn't fall in love with it or just generally doesn't have any interest in it and just wants to do it for money or wants to do it because they see it's a new trend. I don't think anybody should do it who just does it like that. If you generally fall in love with it, then I would say do it. When you start off, you kind of as at your own pace. When I started off, I was doing like 3-hour streams, 4-hour streams, like doing it, and that was a lot for me. But when you talk about streaming, you have to think like entertaining thousands of people for as much hours as I do is crazy. Like, to keep the ball rolling and to do what you like. I'm a just chatting streamer mostly, so I'm not usually gaming and stuff like that. I'm usually just talking to the camera and stuff. So just to be able to do that is crazy. It takes hard work, and you gotta be able to. We have competition. People stream too. You feel what I'm saying? So you gotta be able to like keep up with people and do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
And make sure your community is good and make sure you in your own lane.
How do you mentally handle that? There's gonna be a camera on you for 30 days straight,
bro. But that's what makes or breaks. That what separates like content creators, bro. Like, I'm trying to be on some like, bro. I'm really trying to go crazy. Like, cameras everywhere in the house. Like, they gonna watch me eat. They gonna watch me sleep.
Part of the rules.
Bitches is distraction. Like, that ass.
I like that. Let's go.
Let's talk that.
Yeah.
I like that.
Like, that ass looking into the camera, bro. girls are distractions.
Straight up.
Unless you're in a, I think a relationship is a distraction unless you're ready for that. You feel me? I know how much dedication and commitment that takes, so I wouldn't even go down that route yet. You feel me? But like that ass, like, bro, that shit is distracting. Like that ass, like that shit would, like, a girl can hit you up talking about they want to do this with you tonight, and your dead ass could be considered like, should I be streaming or should I do this? Nigga, get to the streaming. Like, what are you doing?
It's kind of true.
You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, I just noticed that in my first crib, I'll be honest, like the first AMP crib we had, I was streaming for 4 hours. Oh, I gotta be done by 1 o'clock. Wanna know why? Because after 1 o'clock, you feel me, the girl that I'm trying to link, she probably gonna get tired, sleep. Why am I thinking like that? You feel what I'm saying? Once you get over that, it's over. Like, it's over. What, like, it's that all that is gonna come. Like, that's something I learned. Like, that shit is always gonna be there. So like, the grind is really what's gonna be hard though, because everybody get comfortable. If I'm taking any breaks, there's somebody out there right now that's literally grinding his ass off and is gonna blow up anytime now. And he or she is dead ass like working her or his ass off. And I always think like that, or I always think of like, okay, how's my grind coming up? Like, you can't get comfortable in this shit. But after the summertime, in March, I'm taking a nice break. I'm taking bro, that shit gonna, I'm gonna be happy. Like, that's gonna only break, and I'm gonna come right back. Like, it's gonna be the same thing, back to working.
How do you deal with negativity?
Turn off my phone.
Really?
Yeah, I just literally, it's either I just swipe off the app, turn off my phone, and just like wake up the next day or whatever I'm doing, I just go hard.
So unfazed.
Yeah, I be